Alright, today we're going to be learning how to install Spybot Search and Destroy, which is a free virus protection software. As I said, it's completely free, so why not install it? Consumer Report actually ranks it as one of the better virus sweeping programs, and also has a couple handy tools. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and go on the internet and search for Spybot Search and Destroy. Alright. We're going to say English. Go to download. And what we want here is just the Spybot Search and Destroy 1.6.2. So we're going to go ahead and click download. Go ahead and pick any of these. It doesn't matter where you download it from. Alright. And we're going to say download. Save it. Go ahead and open it up. Alright. Just keep it as default settings here. Say you want to install it as that. I'm not going to create a desktop, but I will create a quick launch icon. And these are two items that will help you also help monitor your system. This will help protect Internet Explorer. Go ahead and hit install. Alright. It's good to note that you will need an internet connection while you're both downloading this and installing it. So we're going to go ahead and just run the basic program here, show you a little bit how it works. Alright, so when you first open it, you'll notice up here on the left that it'll ask you to create a registry backup. Your registry is basically how Windows runs. It has the information, all the information in it, from what programs start up to when you click a shortcut icon, where does it send it. It's basically got all the information on your system, and a lot of viruses take advantage of that. A lot of viruses will implant something that makes them start and during startup, or something where if you open Internet Explorer, it also runs in the background. So if you're just installing it or just got your laptop, this is a great time to make a registry backup. By creating this registry backup, the system will go ahead and later on, if you're having really big issues, you just whatever, your system's not working, anything like that, it's gone ahead and made one for me. We're gonna go ahead and start using the program. It's pretty simple here. If you go ahead and go to immunize, it'll go ahead and it knows a list of Internet Explorer programs to watch out for. So if you just go ahead and say immunize, then it'll allow you to do that there. Also, something to note, I would go ahead and this is one of the features of Windows that can be a little bit pesky. What you want to do is, whenever you're running this program here, you're going to want to go to Properties. You're going to want to go to Compatibility, and then go ahead and say Run this program as an administrator. So go ahead and say Apply and OK. And I would actually recommend kind of closing the program and opening it back up again. Sorry, no screensaver there. Alright. So go ahead and open this back up. Say yes, you want to go ahead and continue. Alright, we're just going to get rid of this message at startup here. And now when you say immunize, it shouldn't give you any problems. And we're all good. So what this is going to do is it's going to go through and it knows basically the inner workings of Internet Explorer, and it's just going to make sure that you don't have any issues there. It's also got a pretty good free update system here. It'll go ahead and search for updates from any kind. Choose where you want to download them from. Just pick any updates you want here. These are just some better detection updates. Let's go ahead and say download. The UNC network's pretty quick. Alright, and it's just going to have to reload here. Alright, and we're just going to say exit. Successfully done that. And you might have to go ahead and say, tends to glitch on restart sometimes, but alright, we're just going to go ahead and just close the whole program and open it back up. Say yes. Okay, so now that we've installed our updates here, we can go ahead and re-immunize. If you'd notice, this number's gotten bigger. It means it's recognized more programs. And then the most basic function is just say search and destroy. This is the most important, and then just say check for problems. And it says basically it's going to scan all these. It's just asking if you want to go ahead and clean the temp folder, which of course we do. Alright, so let's go ahead and scanning, which you can see it's running down here in the bottom. It's going to go through and just check all your files since this is the first time it has a lot. And that's it.